Hi everyone, today Alfonso Fitness Forever is going to analyze Muscle Blaze Isotonic Instant Energy Formula. But before analyzing it, let us see why we need this product in our day-to-day life. As we all know, heavy duty workout and sports always causes loss of fluid and electrolyte, resulting in fatigue, reduced energy, because of which we are not able to give our optimum performance. So now let's see how this product is going to help us keep energized and hydrated through our workout sessions. So now let us analyze the product. Okay, as we can see, it's a new product available in the market. Okay, the flavor over here we can see is watermelon flavor. There are two other variants as well as available in the market, pineapple flavor and orange flavor. I have chosen watermelon flavor over here because it has a special ingredients in it, that is Citrullus lanatus. Okay, it helps in heart health. Okay, and also it's lower inflammation and oxidative stress. It helps relieve muscle soreness is very important for muscle builders as well as for athletes. Okay, and also we can see it net weight is 1 kg. It's purely vegetarian. Okay, now let's go and check about the ingredients on available for this product. Over here, as we can see, dextrose, it's the major ingredient over here. It is 15 gram availability with the 15 gram in per scoop. The per scoop stands over here for 34 grams, as we can see over here, and these containers have servings of 29 servings per container over here we can see, and per serving is of 34 grams, in which dextrose is there, which replenishes the energy. Okay, so over here Muscle Blaze what says that it replenishes the energy is totally true, because dextrose available over here is in 15 gram per scoop, which helps doing that. And now let's check about how does it help to recover faster. Okay, we can check over here that it restores electrolytes. Okay, so there is a unique balance of electrolyte which need to be maintained, that is 3:5:1. Okay, we can see over here that the balance has been maintained. The sodium chloride and potassium chlorides are there, and this restores all the electrolytes which are lost due to sweat and energy loss during the heavy workout. Okay, last and the final thing of the restoration, but very important thing, is it restores faster. This is what we recover, this is what we want in this today's life, which is 24/7 faster recovery, because we don't have time for rest. Okay, so over here we can see there is present BCA and glutamine in it, which helps for the faster recovery. The BCA is 250 milligram BCA and 250 milligram of glutamine. These both combined helps for the faster recovery. But there is one small problem over here. It contains actually sugar of 30 gram over here, added sugar of 30 grams, which is for a person who is going for shredding or lean mass is not that of important. So I would suggest for them they can go for purely BCAs. Okay, BCAs will be very much beneficial for them as an intra workout drink. Okay, this was all about it. Okay, and the recommended dose over here we can check is single uses 34 gram per scoop is also available in the packet. Okay, per scoop or 2 heaping tablespoons in 500 ml of water. Now let me show you, I got 2 to 3 freebies under this. Okay, now let me show you about the freebies. Okay friends, this was Muscle Blaze Isotonic Instant Energy Formula review. Okay, now let's see the freebie what I got over here. It's a health card refresh tea. This I got with the pack. Okay, it was free. It's a 10 gram pack. Per serving over here is of 5 gram in this pack as well. Okay, this tea was actually very refreshing. I took it in the morning. Okay, twice, because it was a pack of 10 gram only, so there were 2 scoops only. So I took this product, as well as I received one Muscle Blaze sipper. Here is the sipper, Muscle Blaze sipper. We can see that I have filled it half with water. Okay, because we are going to see now how the isotonic instant energy formula looks in water. Okay, so please be online. I will be coming back very soon. Okay, please be online. This is the scoop, guys. It's a 34 ml 34 gram scoop. Over here we can see that I have filled it half with isotonic instant energy formula. Okay, because I have 250 ml of water over here, we will mix it in it and let's see how does it turns out to be. As we can see over here, okay guys, as we can see over here that we have mixed it in it. Okay, now let's add it to the container. Okay, now let's shake it and see the color as well. We can see it has turned out to be a reddish color, which is color of watermelon. Okay, and the smell as well, I would assure you that it's of purely of watermelon. Okay, now let's go ahead and check about the approval, which is, as we can check over here, it's an FSSAI approved, hence meeting all the guidelines for healthy supplementation. Okay guys, so stay safe. And over here we can see that it's a price MRP over here written is 600 rupees, but the best buy would be for 450. But if you can even buy in the range of 450 to 550, that will be a best buy for you. Okay guys, and also I would like to tell you that thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. This is Alfonso Fitness Forever.
Now
Stay fit,
it's
stay
Alfonso
healthy.
Fitness Forever.
Stay fit, stay healthy, stay healthy, stay healthy.